It had to be about 6 months ago, and one of my friends on Facebook, it was kind of funny. He posted a cloud, and that cloud was really kind of fascinating. And what was really interesting about that cloud was that he just asked one simple question about it. What do you see? And when he did that, my first thing is it was a real interesting cloud, and I can't show it here, and I wish I could. To me, it just looked like the poop emoji, just what it looked like. And so that's what I looked, and I saw several people write the same thing, like, okay, it's interesting. But what was really kind of fascinating by it was about halfway through, all of a sudden we started seeing some of his other Facebook friends start writing, it looks like a tank, it looks like a tank, it looks like a tank. And I went, okay, that's kind of interesting. Well, now my friend, he's a military person. And so he has a lot of military friends. I'm like, okay, that kind of makes sense, but I'm still not seeing the tank. So what I did, and they had a very specific name. They had a very specific tank and very specific things out there. So I Googled that and took a picture and did it. And sure enough, there was one particular picture on Google that I found that had the tank. And the way it looked and the way it was angled, sure enough, I could see that tank now inside that cloud formation. It was really kind of neat. And it was a good lesson for me because, we always have our perspective, and our perspectives are based on our societal backgrounds, our upbringing, our just simply our environment, and maybe even some genetics that goes on there, and we have different things that control that. But we really need to take a step and always try to make sure we go out there and look at it from the other people's perspective. One of the things that John Maxwell tells us quite often, if we want to lead, we don't lead them from where we are and bring them to us. We lead them from where they are and bring them to where we want them to take them. So with that being said, it was just a real good eye opener, and I thought I would share that lesson, and hopefully it was some help.